going to test all of these Lippies that I got out of my NYX Sugar Trip the NYX Sugar Trip calendar. So I got a lot of Lippies out of this thing, and I realized after uploading that video that you really can't tell very much what the colors look like unless they're swatched on a lip. So all of these colors we're gonna try them out. Before we get started, make sure and hit that subscribe button, like this video, and go follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And let's get going. Okay, so I tried to put these in as much of a color order as possible. But let's just start out with this one. This is the Soft Matte Metallic Lip Cream in color Nantes. All right, let's get this going. Ooh, this is pink. All right. I look like I'm going to a Barbie doll party, but you know what? It's all right. I can see why it was called metallic. Next is the NYX Slip Tease in color Poppin'. All right, see if you do any better. Okay, I can deal with this one. I think it would look better on me if I had a deeper skin tone, but overall it's not a bad color and it feels very nice on the lips. Next is the Butter Gloss in color Glazy Days. This is the one that I said looked like a Krispy Kreme donut. Who doesn't love Krispy Kreme? I love Krispy Kreme. It's literally just a gloss. It has a little bit of pigment to it, but overall it is a very nice gloss. Not sticky at all, and it feels very hydrating and nice. Next is the NYX Liquid Suede in color Peanut Brittle. A little nervous for this one, I'm not gonna lie. Alright, this one actually doesn't look that bad, but it's the first one I've actually kind of gotten a weird smell from. It smells very chemically, I don't know. It doesn't really smell good, you know? And I don't really smell it on my lips, but in the bottle, like whenever I was applying it, it had a weird smell to it. But the color isn't bad. And it dries down very quickly, like it's already kind of dry. Overall not bad, but the smell is a little strange. Next, this is the, can you tell my lips are getting chapped? Next is the Soft Matte Lip Cream again in color Vienna. Alright, overall, this is actually it's a pretty concealer. It's a pretty lippy. I can't really tell that much pigment on my lips. Just even on a different skin tone altogether, like a little bit darker than mine or even like a deeper skin tones, I think it would look a lot better. On mine, you really can't tell it that much, but it does feel good on the lips and it doesn't have that weird smell, so there's plus. Next is the NYX Lingerie in color Slip. Ooh, this is pretty. This one I love. This is a very good dark nude shade. I thought it was going to be more purpley than it is, but it looks really pretty. Definitely on camera it looks good. So this one is a definite thumbs up. This is the NYX Liquid Suede in color Starstruck. I'm nervous. This has that smell too. This is just, it's the liquid suede that have the smell. This one has a very pretty color to it, but it does have that smell. I think it's just the liquid suedes that have that weird smell to them. But this color is very, very pretty. Next is the Intense Butter Gloss in color Sweet Nothing. This one is real fun. Again, it doesn't have very much pigment to it, but it is pretty purple. And it feels amazing. I love the butter glosses from NYX. They feel so good. So this one is a thumbs up as well. This is the matte lipstick in color Fluff Piece. Yes, Fluff Piece. That's what they're calling it. If I was going to a Barbie dream house or a Barbie birthday party, this would be the lipstick I'd use, most definitely. Going from one extreme to the other, this is the matte lipstick in color Sorbet. I look like I'm from Xenon from the future. It's alright. I think it speaks for itself. Alright, this is the NYX lingerie in color Deep Rooted. This is the very brown one, if you remember that video. We'll see how it goes. It still looks like poop. I mean, it doesn't look terrible on camera. I would just never wear a brown lipstick. Not anywhere out, at least. Maybe for like a fun look, like a artistic look, yeah. Alright, last one. This is the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in color Kive. K-I-E-V. I still don't know how to pronounce this color. Nothing's really changed. Okay, there is the black. I like it. It's kind of bringing out my gothic days that lasted like a week. Alright, so those are all of my lippies that I got out of my NYX Sugar Trip calendar. This baby right here. If you would like to get this, again, this is at Ulta. This Christmas, if it is not sold out yet, the Ulta Beauty one, the 12 Days of Beauty, actually got sold out. So this one is still available as of right now. This is an awesome gift to get somebody for this Christmas. Again, all of these lippies come in it. Some of them, I mean, most of them were actually really good lippies, and they would be really fun to experiment with because, you know, you get all these different shades in this one box that you can give somebody for Christmas. The only ones that I was a little iffy on were, of course, the brown one, but we all know how I feel about that. But I would definitely recommend this whole thing for a gift for someone that you love or that loves makeup that you love for Christmas. I will have my video of the whole calendar linked up in the cards and down below if you would like to go check it out. And remember that I'm posting a new video every single day this month, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.